So these are the BMW branded WeatherTech floor mats. This is inside of a E92 335i. And as you can see, these are a perfect fit. Really exceeded my expectations on what I thought they were going to be like. The original mats that I had were this style, all-weather floor mats. The backs were still okay, but I had issues with the front where they just wouldn't quite seat correctly around these corners, mainly by the accelerator pedal, which is highly annoying. So I decided to try these out, and I mean, as you can see, they fit perfectly. Plus, they provide a little more coverage on the sides as far as retaining in like snow, dirt, mud, water. The plastic feels like it's a little bit little bit less pliable than the original rubber, so not quite as rubbery. I say more plasticky, so feels a little bit harder. But today it rained and it didn't really cause any issues. No excessive squeaking when I was like driving. And how they're mounted is just it's a little plastic cap and then Velcro on both corners. That keeps it in place so it doesn't slide forward. And it's the same thing on the other side. Here's the passenger side. You can see really nice coverage on the sides, creating a nice little bucket. And they fit perfectly. So I definitely would have gotten these originally if I knew they were as good as they are. But yeah, thanks for watching.